Bw'Eserekari b'ekiama kia DCP nigo bairirechinga Gokwanera igoro ya Obokoreri n'oburai bw'Eserekari ya Kenya Kwanza aseka kiemyaka ene bono. Gokwana kurwa chiobisi chekiama kia DCP omuchio Nairobi nigo baereire na kurwa amabori abwatikaine n'Obokoreri bw'Eserekari korogwanera Daktari William Samuel Ruto ayo batebire ataikiranitie gose TERAIKERANIA Obokoreri oboronge kurwa chisemi obochenu uchumi yense na yanda mange ayo batebire Serikali ligegokora mamincha ase nkwana y'omuriki bw'ekiama kia DCP waigoro Senator bwe County ya Nyandarua John Medu.
Why can't you prepare a comprehensive rebuttal to the people of Kenya on the 4 years accountability statement presented by His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua? Don't tell us about His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Tell Kenyans about William Ruto's 4-year presidency. To the government mandarins, which substantive claims in the 40-page address are false? Provide evidence. Let us remind you the questions that the people of Kenya are asking. On the cost of living, are ordinary Kenyans better off today than they were in September 2022? Show us the figures on household disposable income and purchasing power. On taxation, has the tax burden on the Kenyan households and businesses increased or decreased since 2022? On public debt, how much debt did William Ruto inherit? How much has his government borrowed? And what is the public debt today? On jobs and businesses, how many sustainable jobs have actually been created? What is happening to businesses that are closing and struggling? On education, why are universities, schools, students and parents struggling with funding if the economy is doing so well? The biggest question, if William Ruto deserves another term, what precisely is the measurable improvement in the life of an ordinary Kenyan after his 4-year presidency? Secondly, we have had one of them hope from one media house to another, from a press conference to another, saying that His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua was in government. Yes, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua was right inside government. Precisely. That does not invalidate what he's saying. In fact, if anything, it makes the matters he is raising more deserving of your answers. If a former deputy president, having served inside an administration, tells the people of Kenya that certain things have happened, were happening, or are happening, the question is not whether he was there. The question is what he is saying true or false?